Hey folks, this is Basant here. Black Friday is approaching and we are so close to deal of the years we are going to witness here. So before that, I want to talk about some of the freebies you can get started before actually get your hands on the Black Friday deal. So in this video, I have some Black Friday freebies available right now, and I'm going to give you some introductory overview. What are these tools, how you can use them, and best part, these are all the free tools you can get access. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is the new tool that is recently added on the freebie, and this is just for the Black Friday. So with this tool here, you can get the 100+ proven ChatGPT prompt to scale your digital marketing agency and the strategies. So just get this freebie, and this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and here you can see this is the prompts available for the different things like the client acquisition, for the performance marketing, for the landing page and the sales page creation. All you need to just open any prompt here. It is going to show you detailed prompt which you can copy here. You need to change this green things here like your client name, your task, your objective, all those stuff you have to change there. And after that, just copy the prompt, go to any AI content generator like the Merlin, right, or the ChatGPT, and paste that, and it is going to generate the detailed thing that you have asked. So this is the really good thing if you want to get your hands on the professional prompts and want to generate the professional stuff. We have also the social media marketing prompt, SEO and the content generation, client offboarding, all those stuff we have here. Okay, so this is the tool that I think you should not miss out before actually starting the Black Friday. So right now it's available on the freebie. Just click here on the get now for free. You can check. The next tool we have the Postaga, and let me tell you, this is really a mind-blowing tool for the outreaching. With this tool you can outreach and the cold emails sent to your different kind of the clients, user, more of the things. For example, right now I am using this tool to creating the links. Yes, with the cold emails outreaching, I am achieving the good amount of the backlinks that have the high DAPA. Okay, so you have to just get started with the free access here. Now log in on the Postaga account, go to the campaigns. You can get started how to create the campaigns here. Okay, then if I go to the emails, there is the most mind-blowing thing because you can check it out. It has already the templates available for high converting cold emails like mention, say request, multi-scrapper, podcast, all this stuff for the access. You can get it for these email templates. So this is alone for getting the email templates is the enough to check out this free deal. So I suggest you also should not miss out this freebie that you can use for the cold outreaching. Okay, then the next tool is for the document signing and the managing all of your documents and the business proposal here. So right now it's also available on the free. You can see this is the Breeze Doc, and if you go to its dashboard here, you can check it out. All the documents you can customize and send out to your proposals, your clients, and you can see different kind of the agreements and the business documents available here with the single use. You can click it here, and the best part, it is also going to track the all of the signing. If you have sent out any document to your user or your client, he can within the same dashboard sign the document, and he and you is going to be notified that this business is signed here. Okay, so this is the tool that I think also you should try out here. Right now it's also available for the free, and there are also so many great tools available right now on the freebie for the Black Friday. You can see this is the Appsumo freebie page here. If you want to check it out, this page, the link will be in the description. Make sure you check out there. And if you have the plus membership, you can also access KingSimo for free, Sandfox for free, and there are so many other courses you can absolutely check out for free. Now let me talk about some of the other tools you can check it, like this one, Breezy Design Kit. If you are a web developer and you need the good UI designs, this is the tool you should check it out. Then we have the courses available. We have this course, this PDF available. Then one more great deal that you should check out, that is the images. It is going to give you the access for the copyright free images, sounds, vectors here, and this is absolutely free here. Okay, if I scroll down below, there are so many great deals, PDF courses available for free to access. So make sure you check it out, this freebie deal page, link in given the description. And if you want to stay updated for the upcoming all the Black Friday deals that is going to start soon, make sure you subscribe my channel and stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.